Hey everyone, welcome to this video on a design expert, a powerful tool used in a pharmaceutical research and formulation development. If you are a pharmacy student working on a formulation, drug delivery or a quality by design, then this software will help you to optimize your experiments efficiently. So in this video, I'll take you through what is design expert, basics of design of experiment, then how to set up an experiment step by step, how to analyze results and optimize your formulation. So if you are new to this software, don't worry, I'll explain everything in a simple term. Let's get started. First, let's talk about what design expert is. It's a statistical software used to plan and analyze experiment. Instead of testing different formulation randomly, this software helps us use a design of experiment to systematically optimize your formulation. For example, imagine you are making a tablet and you want to find the best ratio of polymer to improve drug release. So instead of doing multiple trials manually, design expert helps you to select the best set of experiment efficiently. So now your question would be where you can get design expert. So you can download a free trial version from a StatEase website, and the software requires a Windows PC with basic system requirements. So now let's take a quick look at the software interface. Now let's open Design Expert and create an experimental design step by step. Step 1 is the select the type of a design. Click on a new design. Choose a response surface methodology. So this is useful for optimizing drug formulation. Your step 2 is the define factors and responses. So factors are the variables that are changed or controlled in an experiment to observe their effect on the responses. Factors can be characterized as a numeric or a categoric. So numeric factors are those factors or quantitative variables that have a measurable value and can be expressed as a numbers. Examples are the temperature, pH, concentration, or your stirring speed. Then categoric factors. So these are the qualitative variables that represent distinct groups or categories, and examples are type of the polymers that you are used, then drug carrier, packaging material, etc. Next is the responses. So responses are the outputs or results that are measured to evaluate the effect of factors. Examples are the drug release, particle size, or viscosity, or bioavailability. The two most popular designs are the central composite design and box Benton design. So central composite design requires a minimum of two factors and is used for the response surface analysis including curvature effects. Then box Benton design requires a minimum 3 factors and avoids extreme points, making it efficient for the optimization. Now we will add our factors. Enter two factors. First one is the polymer concentration, that is a 1% to 5%. Then second one is the stirring speed, that is the 1000 to 3000 rpm. Then enter one response, that is the particle size. Step 3 is to generate experimental runs. Click continue and the software will generate a set of experiments. So these are the experiments we need to perform in the lab. Now let's enter the response value from our lab experiments and analyze them. Step 1 is the enter experimental results. Input the major particle size value from each run. Step 2 is the run ANOVA analysis. First click on the analyze, select the ANOVA. This will show us if our factors significantly affect the responses. Step 3 is the interpret the results. Your p-value which should be a less than 0.05, which means the factor is significant, and r-square value which is closer to the 1 means the model is a good fit. Step 4 is check a contour and 3D surface plots. So these graphs helps us to visualize the effect of factors. Once we have analyzed our data, we can find the best formulation conditions using the numerical optimization. In that, your step 1 should be go to the optimization, then start target goals, example minimize the particle size. Then step 3 is the run optimization. Step 4 is the check suggested best formulation. Finally, once we have optimized our formulation, we can export the result. Click the reports, save the PDF. That's it for the beginner's guide to design expert. We learn how to create a DoE, analyze the data and optimize the formulation. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe and share this video.